Howdy, Possum Patty, and yes, little Titi's here down in my lap. And you know what? We've been doing some artsy-fartsy projects. You remember my little birds? Oh, I love my little birds. And a few other things. And I've been doing some die cutting and some giveaways and birthday month giveaways. And I've been doing some nature things too. I just haven't showed them to you yet. But these were all things that I hope to do in 23. I didn't want to say goal because that sounded like too formal. Something that I had to actually reach is a goal. But yeah, so I've been having a lot of fun so far this year, and I can't believe we're into February. Oh my goodness. But I haven't done any journaling in this journal in a few days, so I think I'm going to do some Little Golden Book Colors of Winter journaling today. And then, so everything else is going to get knocked off schedule, and I don't care. Keeping a schedule was not one of my hopes for 2023. Just those other things that I mentioned. So we have doing more art, doing more nature, and doing more giveaways, which I've been working on. Yay! But today I'm going to do some journaling, so come on along. What I'm excited to put in this journal is this set that my son sent me, a scrapbooking paper set, and it's got all kinds of things in it. Stickers and frames and sayings, and these are all stickers. And I just wanted to do a page too. This is what it is. Anerza. Scrapbook supplies. They sell those on Amazon. And my gosh, it's got all kinds of things to it. And I just want to do a page with some of this. I want to get some of this into my journal. And let's see, it's got papers. Here we go. And just, I don't know, just all kinds of things. I know I'm not even going to put a dent in it, but that's okay. I just want to put some in here for right now. Ooh, oh, look at this. All right, stop making Google eyes and let's see what we can do. Okay, I had a picture here of, this is baby possum 40 years ago. So let's just use that, okay? No particular reason. I just opened the drawer that said photos, and I think I did this, yes. Pull that out. I do random memory keeping. I need to do better memory keeping. Oh, on these pages I did add some sister pictures, some random old pictures. I was talking about this earlier, just putting in some random sister pages. And I think everything up to this page and a few pages past this have been journaled on. My ransom letters. I could do a little page. These papers would fit perfect on there. Oh my gosh, okay. All right, a lot of these look like they have a directionality to them. Like these are trees. Most of these seem to have a certain way they want to go, not this. This one's good. Oh, look at that one. Or this one too. Oh, look at this. Okay, so, oh, that's a cool one right there. These are very vintagey. Very vintagey. Ooh, This is like the end paper in a book. How big is it? Papers are, I have a ruler somewhere. Here it is. Looks like they are 5 by 7. I'm loving that one. All right, so I'm probably going to cut a lot of this picture out. Can't see the frames. There's some frames over here. Get different sizes. Too big, too big, too big. There's some smaller ones. Or even a smaller one. Too small. How about that? That is cute. He's got his blankie with him. Okay, so which paper do I want as a background? Kind of liking this one. I like that green. Oh, here's a darker one. I don't know, I just really like this one. I really like this one. Okay, checking this for size. It is just a little bit bigger. But this is Cocoa Box, and it's not very straight. So I might just glue this paper on and not worry about the overhang until I do the back side of it. Ooh, do I want to use tacky glue or glue stick? I'm going to try my beacon glue. So I do this in my journals sometimes. I know some people have memory keepers. Well, all my first couple of junk journals, they're basically memory keepers. They're not in any particular order, though, as far as chronological, but sort of seasonal. Sort of seasonal. Yeah, but they can be from any year. No, I can't get too close. Let's see. Got some cardboard over here. And then even when I'm doing my not so daily journaling, I stick in random memory photos. Because I have a lot of fun smashing things together. I don't know if I should bring that down a little bit. Nah, I'm just going to leave it like that. Just going to leave it like that. So I'm working intuitively, and that's the code word for I had no plans, don't know what I'm doing, don't know how this is going to turn out. I had no idea which photo I would pull out of the drawer, but this one looks fine. I think the crewel work on the chair kind of looks old-fashioned. That kind of goes with that. All right, I'm going to cut this to size. I'll be right back. I have a background. I have a focal point. I haven't glued it down yet, and I'm looking for little accent pieces, and there's actually a teddy bear, hugging a little tiny teddy bear. That is so cute. Oh, it's like a page from Alice in Wonderland. All right, let's see. Got mushrooms, butterflies, a camera, And go through these quickly. Pile of books. Pile of books. Lots of mushrooms. Lots of nature. Lots of nature. Oh, this is so cute. This frog. Aw, I like the frog. There's one playing the banjo. Alright, what do we have? We got a happy face. We got a happy face. We got a little fairy with a flower. That's a poppy fairy. Alright, quickly. Got old-fashioned lady. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. We got these strips too. Alright, so anything popping out at me that might go with this. This one with critters. Lots of mushrooms. I don't know. Alright, I'm not feeling anything but this frog right now. I spent a few minutes going through all those things and they're just, I want to use all of them, so I can't. This is a tiny page. I picked a small page to start with. And let's see how many things I can put down here without getting it too clustered. I'm thinking I want a little music poking out on this side. I'm just going to be ripping stuff. And let's see if I put it up here. I can rip that later. I'm looking to see what kind of angle I can put this. Oh, I didn't notice that. This is the lullaby. Lullaby, sleep and do not fear. Lullaby, sleep and do not fear, be it morn or eventide. God watcheth near. Oh, I didn't even know that till I ripped it and I read the word there, lullaby. Well, isn't that perfect, lullaby? Oh, now I want to, see, things change. Now I want to show the words. Lullaby, sleep and do not fear. Okay, so all of a sudden we have a change here. Yes, we do. All right, I'm going to stick this down first. Be flexible. If you see something you like better as you're working, go with it. Oh, I need a new piece of newspaper. Reaching over there. This is thin paper, which is excellent for layering. I guess that's an idea. Or collaging and layering. And it's thin, so you don't need the heavy-duty wet glue. You can just use your glue stick. And that'll work just fine. So I'm going to glue this down first and then rip the edges wherever I decide to put it. Okay. Well, that was kismet, wasn't it? I want to get that sleep and do not fear there. Lullaby, lullaby. How about like that? Something like that. I glued it to the other page. That's okay. Okay, now I'm going to rip this. Rip it off there. And that's got glue in it. I'm not going to save that. Trying to throw it away. It's sticking to my fingers. I guess I should spend a little more time looking through that pack. I just noticed there's several Alice in Wonderland things in there. That is pretty cool. That just got stuck on the tripod leg for the camera. All right, I guess I need to put some more glue. That is my bird clock. Can't believe how fast the days go by. There's just so much to do in a day. So much to do. Okay. All right. Loving it, loving it. I'm so excited. Lullaby, lullaby, lullaby. Baby's got a little blankie there. He looks very tired. I think, I'm not really sure. I think this is, I don't know. I'm trying to remember when this was. Now I don't know if I want to cover this up with some flowers like I was going to, but I still might put a little green here on this side. That's to kind of go with the frog, because I'm still going to put the frog. And this is just, looks like a vellum sticker. It's got plastic behind it, so let's see if I can peel this. Okay, there we go. Oops, it's rolling up. It's like washi tape. It's like washi tape. Okay, I'm just going to make a little border with that. Like that. Oh, and little froggy. I haven't cleaned off the desk yet. Everything is still here. Little froggy's going to go on here. Lullaby. Okay, this has to go down first. And for this, I'm probably going to use some of this beacon glue. Putting it down a little bit at an angle, opposite of the way the music is going, and cover up that stinky glue. Let's see, is this a sticker? Yes, it is. Okay, now I'm going to do some journaling. That was pretty simple and easy. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces from that scrapbooking set. Made a pretty simple page, but I love it. And I just can't believe how this went together with the lullaby music with this picture. None of that was planned. That just happened all by itself. And I'm sitting here, I turned the camera off, and I'm sitting here looking at some more of these pieces. And yeah, there's so much in here. There's just so many pieces. It's hard even to say what is in there. There's just so many. So I'm going to have to go through that more often and see if there's any little bits and pieces I can add to some journal pages, because I do want to use it. This was a Christmas gift from Baby Possum. So thanks for coming along today, and happy junk journaling. Bye-bye.